Welcome to Tangling together with me. We are continuing on tanglepatterns.com. Today it is this pattern right here. Let's open up the book and find a place for it. Actually I think we are going to pop it in right here. It will fit right there. So I'm using my Micron PN in black for this. The first thing we are going to do is making some orbs. So I'm just making an orb here, and then I am going to make an inside orb, and I'm going to color in this orb so it's getting a nice thick orb here. Again, if you have a Micron tin, you can use that for making really thick orbs or lines, so that might help a tiny bit. But I am going to stay with my Micron PN for today. And you can make small orbs or big orbs. And I'm just gonna pop them in here and there on this page in this little room that we have here for this one. And I'm just gonna enjoy every single stroke that I'm doing here, and I'm gonna have fun with this pattern here. Just let it flow where it wants to go. And don't put the orbs here too close on each other, because we need to connect them later. So make sure there's room between your orbs. Actually, I think I'm gonna put in a half orb here, just because I can. Tiny one here. Bigger one. Let's make a small one right here. Maybe half a small one. I think that's enough. So now you can do different things. You can connect them either with straight lines or with kind of curvy lines. I think I'm going to use the kind of curvy lines here. So I'm just connecting these dark orbs with kind of a rice corn shape here. And if you hit a line or something in a pattern next to you, you know to go under. So I'm just taking my time with this. I want to do this one as if it's going out to something in the corner. And a big shape right here. And as well over here, again, a bigger one. And I'm gonna connect it here to the corner. Actually, I think I'm gonna do a few from this one, like that. And I can do one going out here as well, like that. And that's the pattern. Actually, I think this is quite funny. I kind of like it. I'm going to take my white jelly roll, that is the 08. I haven't been using that too much here on this page. So I want to pop in some smaller orbs here in the middle of these bigger, fatter orbs. And I'm not going all the way out to the line of the black. And remember, this is taking a little longer to dry, so don't put your hand in it right away. There we go. I like that. I'm going in with my white charcoal, and I'm just popping in a tiny bit of white here in the bigger ones of these rice corn shapes here. To bring in a tiny bit of a highlight. And be careful, the white jelly roll could be wet still. There we go, taking my tortillon for the white and just softening out that little spot there in the middle. Don't push it down in the paper, just let it glide on top of the paper. There we go. Then we can take our graphite and we could pop it in the where they meet. And I think actually I'm going to do that. So just a tiny bit in the ends. We don't want to overpower the white again. I'm just putting in a tiny dot here in each end of these. Like that, taking my tortillon and just soften it out a tiny bit. So it is a tiny shadow on all of these rice corns. There we go. I like that. It actually turned out really cute. So that was the pattern for today. I hope you enjoyed that. It was this pattern right here. Thank you for watching and have an attitude of gratitude.